ladies and gentlemen, everything in between. Welcome to Kismet's Corner. I'm Kismet. Today, we're going to be talking about this. This is my EDC pouch. In recent days, I've slimmed down all the crap that I carry. One of my more popular videos was about my extended EDC. Well, a lot's changed since then, and I've decided to carry some less stuff. Mainly stuck to the essentials and some nice-to-haves. The pouch itself is from a company no longer in business. I'm sure you can find something similar, or if not better. For those interested, it's a Yellow Birch Outfitters Pocket Pro. There's a little pouch in the middle. In it, I keep a Big Idea Design TI Arto EDC with a Parker gel refill that I have recently discovered and recently have been really liking. A Big Idea Design TPT slide. A Countycom Maritac battery locker for a AAA battery. And Inaloop Pro AAA for my flashlight, which you'll see here in a minute. This is just a little microfiber cloth that's a little dirty. This is from Countycom as well, Maritac. Man, it's dirty. On the zippered pouch on the back, I have a Bic lighter, a mini Bic in a lighter sleeve from Old Navy in the country of Greece. I don't know if you can read that. Wait. Oh, it's upside down, that's why. Old Navy. There it is. And it says something in Greek that I forget what it says. But it's still pretty cool. I love the finger indents. And then my flashlight, which is the Rovivon E8 Angel Eyes. I have it in lockout mode just so it doesn't turn on. But this is a very cool little flashlight. We've got a Countycom glow tag on it. Very cool flashlight. One of my favorites. A Countycom Fulcra Leva tool. It's just basically a titanium pry bar. And finally, a spare blade carrier by Turnback Company for some spare blades for my utility knife. And I've got a box cutter that is out the front automatic. I'll show that in another video. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.